If you're looking for a VidIQ promo code, here's how you can get the best deal right now. So in this video, I'm going to share some VidIQ promo codes with you. I've actually collected all the working VidIQ promo codes and deals in one place, so you can choose the best one for yourself. Right now, VidIQ is running different types of offers. Some give you a big discount on the first month, like up to 90% off, and some give you smaller discounts, but for a longer time. So it really depends on what you want. If you just want to test VidIQ, go for the 90% off. But if you're planning to use it long-term, then a yearly discount might save you more money. So let's see how you can apply this VidIQ promo code. First, scroll and click the link in the description. After clicking the link, you'll land on our website where we've listed all the VidIQ promo codes. In this video, we'll use the 90% off for the first month promo code, but you can use any code based on your needs. All codes are working, and we keep them updated. Now, click on the Show Coupon button. The page will reload, and the code will pop up on your screen. Just copy the code, and make sure to click on the Shop at Store button. This is the exclusive deal link. Now, you'll be redirected to the VidIQ website. Click on Pricing, choose your plan, and click on the Subscribe button. Now create your account using your email. You might see some onboarding steps. You can skip them for now and set them up later. Now you'll see the checkout page. Here you might see a promo code already applied. This happens because we used an exclusive deal link from our website. But for this video, we're using the 90% off for the first month promo code. So you can remove the existing code, paste the one you copied, and click Apply. You'll see the price drop. Now add your card details and complete your payment. That's it. Your subscription is successfully activated with a discount. And one quick tip for you. Don't just go for the biggest discount blindly. Think about how long you're going to use the tool, because sometimes a smaller discount for a longer time actually saves more money. So yeah, check the link in the description, copy the promo code you want, and use it to get the best deal. And if you need any other coupon codes, you can check out our website. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the All Coupon Code channel. I'll see you in the next video.